Wrinkles are not only caused by age, they are a sign that your skin is missing important nutrients and is under stress. Most people try to fix wrinkles by using creams and serums, but real change happens when you support your body from the inside. Your skin needs healthy fats, vitamins, and collagen to stay smooth and firm. One of the most important vitamins for skin is vitamin A. You can get it naturally from egg yolks, grass-fed butter, and cod liver oil. These foods help repair the skin and prevent dryness and fine lines. Plants also protect your skin. Kale, parsley, and blueberries are full of antioxidants that fight damage and slow down aging. When you add collagen peptides, your body gets the material it needs to rebuild stronger, healthier skin from within. But if you eat too much sugar and processed food, it raises your insulin level. High insulin causes inflammation and stops your body from using collagen and vitamins properly. This is why many people get more wrinkles even when they buy expensive products. Cutting down on sugar and trying intermittent fasting can turn on a natural repair system in the body that renews old, damaged cells. Stress is another big reason for wrinkles. When your body makes too much cortisol, it breaks down collagen and makes the skin sag. Good sleep, regular walking, and relaxing your mind can bring your skin back to life. Finally, your body must be able to absorb nutrients. The liver and gallbladder make bile, which helps absorb fat-soluble vitamins like A and E. If bile is low, even a good diet won't work fully. Feed your body right, lower sugar, reduce stress, and your skin will slowly become smoother and healthier.